Algorand cost commonly equivalent to $0.1001 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. The present exchanged cost range. 0.0998 0.1014 in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The earlier day close. 0.1008. The change in every practical sense was 0.0007, 0.69%, which generally is very huge. Backwards rate. United States dollars to Algo in a really significant way. Algorand value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, October 9. Cost $0.10, kind of greatest 0.11, really least 0.09, which generally is very huge. Algorand gauge on Tuesday, October 10. Cost $0.10, all things considered, most extreme 0.11, genuinely least 0.09, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, October 11. Cost $0.10, truly most extreme 0.11, truly least 0.09. Algorand figure on Thursday, October 12. Cost $0.10, by and large greatest 0.11, especially least 0.09 in a very significant way. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, October 13. Cost $0.10 in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.11 in every practical sense, least 0.09 in an all things considered significant way. And multi-week Algorand conjecture on Monday, October 16. Cost $0.10, truly greatest 0.11, truly least 0.09 in an extremely significant way. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, October 17. Cost $0.10, especially greatest 0.11, kind of least 0.09 in an unpretentious way. Algorand estimate on Wednesday, October 18. Cost $0.10, extremely greatest 0.11, least 0.09. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, October 19. Cost $0.10, truly most extreme 0.11, genuinely least 0.09 in a genuinely enormous way. Algorand estimate on Friday, October 20. Cost $0.10, lovely most extreme 0.11, by and large least 0.09, which for the most part is very critical. In about 14 days. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, October 23. Cost $0.10, really most extreme 0.11, especially least 0.09, or so they especially thought. Algorand estimate on Tuesday, October 24. Cost $0.10 in every way that really matters, greatest 0.11, truly least 0.09, showing how Algorand conjecture on Friday, October 20. Cost $0.10, truly most extreme 0.11, essentially least 0.09 in a genuinely enormous way. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, October 25. Cost $0.10, most certainly greatest 0.11, genuinely least 0.09 in a very significant way. Algorand gauge on Thursday, October 26. Cost $0.10, genuinely most extreme 0.11, by and large least 0.09. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, October 27. Cost $0.10, truly most extreme in 3 weeks. Algorand estimate on Monday, October 30. Cost $0.10, certainly greatest 0.11, genuinely least 0.09 in a huge way. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, October 31. Cost $0.10, greatest 0.11, genuinely least 0.09, which in a real sense is very critical. Algorand conjecture on Wednesday, November 1. Cost $0.10, kind of greatest 0.11, kind of least 0.09, or so they in a real sense thought. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, November 2. Cost $0.10, especially most extreme 0.11, lovely least 0.09 in a significant way. Algorand conjecture on Friday, November 3. Cost $0.10, beautiful most extreme 0.11, genuinely least 0.09 in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. In about a month. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, November 6. Cost $0.10, genuinely greatest 0.11, truly least 0.09, or so they really thought. Algorand figure on Tuesday, November 7. Cost $0.10, essentially greatest 0.11, especially least 0.09 in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to Algo today. United States dollars to Algo conversion scale, commonly equivalent to 9.9867 coins per $1, or so they explicitly thought. Today's reach 9.8642 to 10.0188, showing how US to Algo today. United States dollars to Algo conversion scale, especially equivalent to 9.9867 coins per $1, or so they especially thought. The past day's nearby 9.9199 in an unobtrusive way. Change for now plus 0.0668, plus 0.67% in an unobtrusive way. United States dollars to Algo cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future and month, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Monday, October 9. Cost 10.000 coins, lovely most extreme 11.111, certainly least 9.091, which really is genuinely huge. United States dollars to Algo expectation on Tuesday, October 10. Cost 10.000 coins, beautiful greatest 11.111, especially least 9.091, so Algorand conjecture on Thursday, October 12. Cost $0.10, sort of most extreme 0.11, sort of least 0.09, which is genuinely critical. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Wednesday, October 11. Cost 10.000 coins, greatest 11.111, in every practical sense, least 9.091, all things considered, in spite of prevalent thinking. United States dollars to Algo forecast on Thursday, October 12. Cost 10.000 coins, fundamentally most extreme 11.111, certainly least 9.091. Dollar to Algorand estimate on Friday, October 13. Cost 10.000 coins, really greatest 11.111, genuinely least 9.091, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. And multi-week United States dollars to Algo expectation on Monday, October 16. Cost 10.000 coins, essentially greatest 11.111, lovely least 9.091, in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. Dollar to Algorand figure on Tuesday, October 17. Cost 10.000 coins, kind of most extreme 11.111, fundamentally least 9.091, so Algorand estimate on Tuesday, October 24. Cost $0.10, genuinely greatest 0.11, essentially least 0.09, showing how Algorand gauge on Friday, October 20. Cost $0.10, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.11, truly least 0.09. Or so they truly thought. United States dollars to Algo expectation on Wednesday, October 18. Cost 10.000 coins,